Good evening, my dear students. Is my voice audible? Hello, can you hear me?
Audible, sir. Continue.
Okay, right. Very good evening, my dear students. This is an exclusive English session. Unacademy is known both for English and English medium of instruction. So all these educators, they have huge experience both in online and offline mode. Now, we are going to discuss what are the career opportunities after your engineering. We have so many opportunities, wide opportunities. We'll try to explain each and everything in a very detailed and systematic manner. We have got highly experienced, talented teachers who work for the welfare of students. Now, in this session, we will discuss in a detailed manner what after your engineering course. Next slide, please, sir. After engineering, you can go for higher education like pursuing MS, MTech, and also after that, you can also pursue PhDs. Then other opportunities are maybe public service commissions like civil services examination, state public service commission examination. All these opportunities are there. Next slide, sir, please. Now, you can also go for like with the help of GATE examination or other examinations, you can join private sectors, public sectors, state public service commissions also. And here we have eminent team to discuss and give complete enlightenment into this career opportunities. Please, sir. KP, sir.
Sir, generally for BTech students, the best opportunity is if you want a senior level job with a decent salary, you have to go for higher education, either by writing GATE examination and joining in MTech course, or by writing CAT examination and joining in MBA. In MBA, there are various type of courses like finance, HR, logistic operations, like that. So another thing is MS. These are the three different fields. One is GATE, another one is by writing management courses, CAT examination to join MBA and MS. Then otherwise in government sector, by writing civil services examination, IAS or IPS or IRS, various jobs, and state level jobs, ABPSC, TSBSC, like that. To appear state services examination, you can enter as a deputy collector, DSPs, like that, in group 1 positions and group 2 positions. By writing IES examination, you can become a senior level job in railways, in various fields. These are the different fields for engineering students. Sir?
So coming to GATE, most of the students know that GATE is gateway of opportunities. So first of all, I would like to abbreviate GATE. Most of the learners know GATE is Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. So students must know it's not exclusively about engineering. It's not exclusively about aptitude. While framing IITs, the GATE examination, they clearly mentioned they are asking you aptitude model of questions in engineering. So through GATE, you are having a lot of opportunities, as already previous teachers told to you. GATE, you can do MTech, you can get a PSU job. So we are discussing in the upcoming session, we are discussing a lot. So GATE is a gateway of opportunities, and it tests an engineer's knowledge in the application oriented and aptitude oriented model. So, and it gives you the best life as an engineer. If you want to get a best future prospects, GATE is the way where you can achieve your dreams. So, GATE examination, all engineering graduates are eligible, and those who are in the final year, and especially those who are in the third year students, those also can take the GATE examination. This is an excellent opportunity provided by IITs for the third year student. When he is in second year, he started preparation. He can prepare along with his engineering degree. So he can crack the GATE examination either in third year, fourth year, because the GATE score validity is 3 years. We have the learners in Unacademy who cracked GATE in the third year with the top ranks, and in fourth year they become IES officer. So you have a future vision and scope. If you start your journey in the second year and gear up for the third year, fourth years, you can crack both the exams, GATE examination as well as IES, and your future life and career will be getting settled. GATE examination is conducted by top 7 IITs and Indian Institute of Sciences. Exam will be conducted mostly every year in the month of February. And GATE exam will be conducted for 27 different papers, all major branches, interdisciplinary branches, and whatever opportunities are there, wherever careers are there, most of the branches, GATE exam is conducted. And GATE exam is online examination, CBT. Virtual calculator is allowed, not our regular model of scientific calculator. The learners who are going to start preparing for GATE, they can start also learning virtual calci along with their preparation. Otherwise, it will be difficult for them when they start preparation at the time of exam. So you can start your preparation GATE along with preparation of learning virtual calci. So GATE exam carries 65 questions, 3 hour duration, total 100 marks. There are 31 mark questions and 35 2 marks questions. So you can get around for 1 mark question around 1.5 to 2 minutes time duration, 2 marks question 3.5 to 4 minutes duration. And if you start learning from the second, third year and you can gear up preparation, you learn the short tricks, shortcut formula from the teachers, most experienced teacher. You don't need that much time also. You can finish 1 mark in a half minute, 2 mark in around 2 minutes, because we make your preparation easy. Over to you, Negi, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. So, beta, as you must have come to know, GATE is a very important examination. It is a gateway for PSUs, IITs, IIC Bangalore. Most of you must be dreaming for IITs during your intermediate. Now, GATE is giving you another chance through which you can enter to the IITs, in fact, IIC Bangalore also. So, as far as GATE exam is concerned, you will be having 3 type of questions: MCQ, MSQ, NAT. Now, in MCQ, you will be having 4 options, and out of these 4 options, whatever is the most appropriate option, you have to mark that one. And of course, there will be some negative marking. It will be of 1/3 in nature. For example, if the question is of 1 mark, 0.33 will be the negative marking. If the question is of 2 marks, 0.67 will be the negative marking. Now, let us come to the second type of question, which is MSQ, multiple select question. The meaning is one or more than one can be correct. There will be 4 statements, one or more than one can be correct. There is no negative marking for MSQs, but at the same time, there is no part marking also. Let us suppose there are 3 statements which are correct and you have marked only 2 correct statements, you will not get any part marking. Last variety of question is a numerical answer type marking. There will be some space and you have to fill this space. Again, there is no negative marking for NAT. And in GATE examination, you will be finding that most of the questions will be NATs, which makes the paper a little tricky and difficult. MCQ, anyways, you are having 4 options. You know one of the option is correct, so you will be able to solve that. But in NATs, you are blind. You don't know what is the correct answer, right? So generally what happens, you will be cross-checking the answer more than one time. So there you will be consuming the time. So my humble request is, if you are preparing for GATE examination, prepare for NATs thoroughly. MSQs, anyways, 3-4 questions will only come from this part. Next slide, sir, please. Yes, the weightage. Look, generally what happens, the entire GATE question paper will be divided into 3 parts. The first part is general aptitude, which is of 15 marks. 5 questions of 1 mark each, 5 questions of 2 marks each. So 5 into 1 plus 5 into 2, that is a 15 marks. The second part will be engineering mathematics. It will be of 13 marks, 5 questions of 1 mark each, 4 questions of 2 marks each. Total 9 questions, 13 marks. As far as XC is concerned, because for mechanical second paper will be XC, in XC it is named as XCA, which is of 15 marks. Please keep in mind, for mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics, computer science, DA, chemical, it will be of 13 marks, but for XC it is of 15 marks. Now as far as core subjects are concerned, if I talk about the core branches, it will be of 72 marks. You are the complete core syllabus. 1 mark 20 questions, 2 marks 26 questions, total 46 questions, 72 marks. So overall, if you see the scenario, 30 questions of 1 mark is 35 questions of 2 marks is total 65 questions, 100 marks. And here I want to highlight one thing which I can say with 100% confidence for almost all the branches. If anyhow you are able to secure 60 plus marks, I'm not talking about 90 marks or 85 marks. Let us suppose you are from the tier 3 college and you are preparing for gate examination. So one thing must be very much clear in mind: if you are getting 65 plus marks, something you will get out of your preparation. If not PSU, maybe IC Bangalore, maybe IIT Bombay, but something you are going to get. So what I'm saying is, it's not that you have to, of course you have to aim for the higher marks, but it's not compulsory that if you are getting 95 plus marks, then only you'll be getting something. So keep this in mind. Next slide, sir. Yes. So these are the type of questions which are getting asked in gate examination. Generally, so many questions will be recall based. Means, let us suppose there is some formula based question, there is some theory based questions, and of course, look, gate exam. If I tell you in nutshell, it is a conceptual exam. So you have to learn the concepts and you should know how to apply the concept. That's it, sir. Next. Yes.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Negi and Mr. KV sir and other colleagues. Here I'm going to talk about key points for success in GATE. See, preparing for GATE is basically a very tough task as such, and there is no concrete strategy that we can say. Every individual will have to basically evolve their own strategy. What we are going to discuss here, what we are giving this, you can take it as inputs. And based on the inputs, based on the suggestions, you can formulate your own optimal strategy based on your distinctness, based on your instinctness, what suits you, and then formulate and apply it. Like here, as I said, primarily timetable preparation or basically like your action plan has to be formulated. That is mandatory. Without a proper timetable, without a proper action plan, if you try to follow an ad hoc approach for preparation, that will not lead to a good success. So timetable preparation and action plan is mandatory. The optimal strategy, as I said, based on the key points, you can basically prioritize the things, what is most important and what is least important for you based on your understanding those subjects, and then you can follow that. Then essentially, I would always used to tell my students in the class, primarily GATE means application of concept. Knowing is not enough, as said by Bruce Lee. Knowing is not enough. You must apply. Because the whole GATE paper, whole GATE questions is based on application of concepts. That is what is the difference between university exam and a GATE exam. In university exam, you will have questions limited to like define, differentiate, describe, write short notes on. You won't find any such questions in the GATE exam. So if your fundamentals are clear, then you will be able to basically apply. And that is what here we are going to basically teach you. You may be knowing the things. What you are generally lacking is in the principle of applying the concepts. So by way of our problem solving here, by way of our teaching methodology, we basically make sure that you learn those application of the concepts. And extremely important is time management. So for which I believe the test series essentially will play a very vital role in time management. And as such, I always used to tell the students that test series should only be used for two purposes. Number one, managing your time, learning or practicing time management. And number two, assessing your level of preparation, how far you have prepared. Are there any topics, are there any concepts that you have missed out during your preparation? But so here's aspirants, I would say at this point of time, test series should never be used as a threshold for assessing your performance exactly. I've seen many students scoring well in the test series, but not performing good in the final exam, and vice versa. So try to make sure it should never be taken as a tool for making performance comparison with your peers. It should only be used for two purposes: time management and essentially testing your level of preparation. And of course, I always say, PYQ is key for the success in GATE exam. Make sure that you practice, you do solve the PYQs at least 3 times, 3 rounds. I would say 80%, if not 90, 95, 80% of the questions you would be able to solve with the PYQs. And of course, revision and short notes also play a very vital role. So long notes should also be prepared while you are learning the subject, and then a short notes you should also prepare. Both the things will help you in basically the revision strategies, right? So next slide. And coming to the GATE opportunities, innumerable GATE opportunities. I'm very sure those who are present here or those who are aspiring for GATE might have definitely aspired for entering into IIT campus for doing BTech program, but unfortunately, for whatever reason, you could not do it. But still, I would say through GATE, there is still an opportunity open for you to realize your dreams and get the tag of IITian. Because across the globe, if you go outside the country, in US, UK, people always talk of only 2 things. If you say that I studied from NIT, I studied from so-and-so private college or so-and-so college, they say, no, have you studied from IIT or non-IIT? They categorize all the colleges as non-IITs, no matter it may be JNU, no matter it may be Central University or whatever. So IIT and non-IIT. So that is what I would say. So of course, in my previous slides, my colleagues have already sent. They have opportunity to take admission into engineering colleges in India, recruitment to various public sector units, pursue JRF and SRF, admission to foreign universities. At least I know there are 2 countries, 4 universities where GATE score is applicable, where you can get admission. One in Germany and the other is Singapore, right? And these are the benefits. You will have a solid foundational knowledge of your subject, and your aptitude and technical skills will get empowered, right? High GATE score in employability benchmark for recruitment, and of course, you have financial attraction also. You'll get a monthly stipend of rupees 12,400 for 2 years, right? And you also stand a chance for getting admission into MBA through NISHE and other fellowship programs at IIMs. And of course, opportunity for also writing exams like ISRO, DRDO, BARC, etc. And of course, not the least, you have a chance to get an IIT tag or ISC tag, NITs, etc. And that is what I say. And last thing I would like to add upon, I always used to tell the students when I teach in college, in my college, beta, if you want to write GATE exam or not, this is a secondary matter, but do prepare for GATE. Okay? If you don't want to write the exam, no matter, but prepare for the GATE, because that will invariably going to strengthen your knowledge and going to help you in your later part of your career. Okay. Thank you so much, KP sir, and take over the charge.
Yeah. Thank you, Khalil sir. Here, one of the most fascinating opportunities of GATE, right? After writing the GATE, right? Many people will be thinking that, sir, I'm not interested in higher studies, but why I should write GATE? So many people, many students use it to ask these kind of questions. So I'll say that you're right. As Khalil sir said, whether you are writing or not GATE, you prepare for GATE, right? Because that will be giving which one these many opportunities. And if you are writing also, it will give various opportunities, right? Without joining MTech also. One of them is PSUs, right? Public sector undertakings. So these are all the PSUs you can get through, right? You can join in these PSUs as a management trainee and technical trainee, and many types of job opportunities are there. And these are all various PSUs you can have. Mini Ratna, Maharatna, Navaratna, all these kind of Ratnas will be there, right? So whatever the Ratna you want, you can select, right? But only thing is, you have to prepare in a good manner and you have to select it, right? And so you might be from different branches, and so what are the opportunities, right? How many PSUs are offering jobs through GATE? If you observe, civil engineering students will be having 27 PSUs they are offering, right? Here the list of which one major PSUs are given. And computer science people, 13 PSUs. Electrical, 31. It is the highest, you can say, right? So don't miss this opportunity, everyone. And after that, the second highest will be mechanical, 30, instrumentation, electronics, and chemical also. Chemical least you'll be having 6, you can say, right? But so these are all top PSUs you can get through, and your life will be a royal life, you can say, right? So when you are getting through these PSUs, right, good amount of salary you'll be getting, all perks will be there, right? So you cannot miss these opportunities. If you are not interested in going for higher studies, chhod do, right? Leave it. But you go to these PSUs. That is my suggestion. And here you may be getting, everybody is interested in which one is how much paisa milega, right? How much money you will be getting, right? That is very much fascinating thing, na? Isn't it? If you observe, whenever you are going to these ordinary colleges, right, generally 2 lakh per annum, right, like that you'll be getting. And if you are going to somewhat good college, then you'll be getting 4 lakh to 5 lakh, like that you'll be getting. But if you are getting selected to PSUs now, then you'll be getting up to 12 lakhs per annum. So 1 lakh per month approximately, right? You can say, and plus or minus here and there, right? So if you are having an opportunity of getting 1 lakh per month in front of you, so don't miss this opportunity and write the gate examination, prepare for gate examination well, and crack these PSUs. And there is also one more thing you can say, the companies, right? Top companies like construction companies like Larsen L&T company, everybody know L&T company. So they are giving which one, this is scholarships, and they will be sponsoring your MTech program also, especially in construction management. So in collaboration with what? IIT Delhi and IIT Chennai, right? IIT Delhi and IIT Chennai collaboration, they are giving you which one, this MTech degree also, and job opportunity also they will be giving, you can say, right? So these are all various fascinating opportunities we are having. And thank you, sir. BV Reddy sir will show some more light on this. What are the indirect opportunities you'll be getting through GATE? Sir, BV Reddy sir.
Thank you, sir. And first of all, so good evening to all of you, my dear students. So the GATE, once you have started preparing for GATE exam, the GATE will help you directly and indirectly to achieve the different categories. The first thing is, as a KP sir told, once you start your preparation from second year, third year, that will help you to improve your academics. Once you have started learning, so then you can learn the subject very strongly, and that it can improve your academics, and at the same time that will be helpful for the your campus recruitment training also. And to get into campus placements, the gate exam, it is very helpful, the gate preparations. And as you might be know, the ESC, it will be happens in the three stages. In the first stage is completely prelims. Once you are prepared for the gate, so whatever the preparation you did for the gate, that is more than enough for the stage one clearance of prelims. You can easily crack the stage one once you have prepared the for GATE, and it will be helpful for to crack the state government jobs, AE, AEE, and some of the groups also. And so central government jobs, like we can say SSC and RRB, and so some of you fellows might have aimed to enter into the research. That means BARC, DRDO, and defense sector, ISRO. So to enter into this, so the GATE exam, the GATE preparation will help you a lot. Once you have started preparations, then you can easily crack the all this type of exams. And as you might be know here, the ESC pattern, so it will be in the three stages. One is preliminary exam, the second one is mains, the third one which we have, it is an interview. So the paper one, it will contains the non-technical part, which is 2 hours and 200 marks. And paper 2, the exam will be 3 hours duration. Total it is a 300 marks. And that is a prelims. Once you clear the preliminary exam, then only your paper will be evaluated for the mains. You will be eligible to write the mains exam. And the mains, it will be in the two papers, that is completely technical part. The engineering branch subjects are divided into two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. And paper 1, it is a 3 hours, 300 marks, and paper 2 is also 3 hours and 300 marks. And obviously here for the preliminary exam, there will be a negative mark is there, and there is no calculators are allowed. And the preliminary exams, the pattern of the questions, it will be in the very basic level questions only. Once you understand the concept, you can easily able to attempt the questions, and you can. So, and the total marks for the complete preliminary exam, the stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3, all together it will be 1300 marks. And if you qualify for the preliminary, then only you are eligible to write the mains exam. And the mains paper, it is completely descriptive manner. You need to write 3 hours of duration, 300 marks you have to attempt for paper 1, and paper 2 is for the 300 marks and 3 hours of durations. Thank you, sir. Over to Kim.
So, guys, I hope everyone got little awareness regarding GATE and ESC. Then we'll talk about why Unacademy, especially to prepare for GATE and ESC. The first thing in front of you in this video, the teachers who are the most experienced teachers who taught everyone more than 200 batches, 150 batches for GATE and ESC, and they know how to teach for GATE and ESC examination, how to make you to learn short tricks, how to crack the examination, and also not only to make you to learn how to crack the examination, they will guide you throughout the journey. That is the best part of an academy. Every teacher is ready to support you at every stage of your preparation, because students life and especially during preparation it's not that much easy. In several stages students are getting distracted, demotivated and frustrated. So by single message your educator is ready to support you and motivate you and show you a correct path, enlighten you, and your distraction frustration will go away, and again you are come back to preparation. This is the most important aspect for any student preparing for competitive examination needed. Such kind of support and guidance is provided by all the educators over here in Unacademy. So secondly, then Unacademy app you can study anytime, anywhere, 24/7. Wherever you are having the mobile, just you carry the mobile, you can study anywhere. Even you don't have internet also, you go to some Wi-Fi, download the video, and off the internet you can watch the video. That much facility we are providing here. Along with it, we are having live interactive classes. We can say so many things regarding live interaction, because students can talk on mic and ask the doubt orally also. This facility nowhere it is available. Raise a hand feature, and also you can compete with your fellow friends. We have poll option, and you can understand where you are standing, what level of preparation you have to improve more, and how the other fellows are there. And during live poll and question solving session, teacher can identify where you are dragging, what is your mistake, because competitive examination is a aspect where learning from mistakes. Besides learning from the concept, learning from notes, you can gain more marks by learning from mistakes. If you identify your mistake and not repeating that in exam, surely you are going to get the top rank. And most important aspect here, by some activity, maybe you are having some function, you are having some important meeting, maybe something, you miss the class. But here you can watch the class, missed class anytime without any restriction. Important thing, number of times of watching, there is no restriction. You can watch n number of times. We don't give you any restriction for you. So you can watch the missed class, you can repeatedly hear the class, you can understand it. Then all previous sessions also, generally if you take subscription, you can get present live batch and you can watch only live batches. But here not like that. You can watch all the last 2 years, 3 years previous sessions also. The best teachers content and videos you can watch in live as well as recorded. And most important, always anytime your educator is connected with you, ready to support you. So these are the app features, as I told you already. Raise a hand feature, poll feature, and also we have Unacademy class notes, PDFs also, materials, PYQs already, question solving sessions are done, PYQs all solved, and separate doubt solving sessions for the learners, where exclusive doubts of learners will be solved by top educators of Unacademy. Over to you, Negi, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. So as KP sir said, the moment you are taking the subscription, you will be getting the infinite access to batches, infinite access to educators, infinite access to theory courses, infinite access to practice problem courses. Whatever the content is available on platform, you can access. At the same time, India's top educators will be teaching you live on the platform. And as you can see, language is not the barrier on platform. Educators are there who are comfortable with Hindi language as well as English language. So yes, we have recently started new English batches also on platform named as Aspire. So if you are looking for English exclusive batches, you can join these batches And yes, as you know, recently we have launched one offer, and after huge demand, we are again relaunching this offer just for few days. And the offer is you'll be getting the Unacademy Gate 1 year plus a subscription only at 11,999 rupees only. And this offer is valid only till 27th of April. And this offer is not going to repeat again. Now you'll be asking, sir, when this offer is going to start? So the moment clock is going to hit at 12 o'clock, the moment the date is going to change from 19 to 20, the moment the day is going to change from Friday to Saturday, this offer will start. So join as soon as possible and learn from the India's top educators live. Next slide, sir, please. Iconic, yes. As you know, whatever the features are there on Plus, you'll be getting on Iconic. And there are two extra features which you are going to get. One is you'll be getting the hard copy of the notes, digital notes, whatever the digital notes we are giving in PDF format in Plus, you'll be getting hard copies of that in Iconic subscription. And the second most important thing is one-to-one mentorship. So if you are going for the Iconic subscription, prices are little higher, but not that much. 17,919 rupees for 1 year Iconic subscription. I repeat, 17,999 for 1 year Iconic subscription. Next slide, sir. And yes, that's it from our side. Okay, sir, over to you.
So guys, most of you got the information regarding GATE, ESC and other career opportunities. I hope so. Sir, few students are asking, especially to Khalil sir, those students are from electrical engineering, can they write a DS2 paper? They're asking that. Khalil sir, your voice is not audible.
Yeah. Yeah. The moment IITs have announced the GATE DA paper, it has been we have been consistently and continuously telling that all streams of engineering can write the GATE DA paper and get admission into this MTech program of DA. Most of the IITs have already started their respective departments, branches, programs in machine learning, artificial intelligence, and data science. So primarily, this paper has been introduced for as like a multidisciplinary paper. Electrical engineering, electronics engineering, mechanical, civil, everybody can basically take. Absolutely, there is no difficulty. The number of subjects are also very less. And particularly computer science students, IT students, they can write both the papers, computer science, CSIT as well as they can write their respective branch paper and just get DA paper. So I suppose this is a very golden opportunity for the non-computer science students to enter into the realm of the machine learning and data science. Yeah.
Sir, Praveen sir, students are asking, GATE के notes RRB JEE के लिए use कर सकता है mechanical?
GATE के notes?
RRB JEE के लिए use कर सकता है for mechanical?
See, actually, at Unacademy, we don't teach the subject from examination point of view. First, subject has come, not examination. So we teach the subject in a holistic manner. We teach the subject completely, no matter what examination you are appearing for. May it be civil services, may it be engineering services, may it be state public service examination, because we are taking around, on an average, compared to average, we are taking roughly 20 to 25% more number of hours. This is for like interview as well as for all examinations. You can absolutely rely on us with no hesitation. You can appear, no problem. Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you, sir. So, guys, most of your queries are answered over here, and we hope we have given you clear enlightenment regarding opportunities. So, you can understand what is the future after engineering. And as Khalil sir already told, if you are not even ready to write the GATE examination, one time at least to prepare for GATE, because we know every student is preparing how for an engineering subject. So we can do one night batting, one day batting only. We never study the subject. But if you want to settle down in core engineering placements, without knowing the subject knowledge, you can't do any job after engineering. So in the name of GATE, in the name of GATE, we are giving a name as GATE coaching. But in the name of GATE, all 4-year subject, in-depth conceptual knowledge, all subjects you are learning within 1 year to 1.5 years, and that will help you a lot to crack your dreams of future. Maybe a government sector, maybe a private sector job. And still in future, you have any queries regarding future aspects and preparation, all the educators are ready to support you. You can connect with your respective branch educator. Thank you, one and all. Thank you, sir. Negi, sir, any last words?
Sir, that's it. I mean, they will not be getting such opportunity to join Unacademy Plus, so they should join. And as I told, I'm again repeating. Look, you can see the faces. Most of the educators are from Andhra, Telangana. So we know how to teach English background students. So we know what is the requirement of the English background student. Definitely, we will make sure. Come on, Plus, and we will rock together. Thank you.
Let's crack it.
Let's crack it.
Let's crack it.